friends, it's Miss M. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a borrowing subtraction problem, and you are just going to be watching today. So make sure you have a comfy seat, make sure you can see your screen clearly, make sure there's nothing in your hands, and that you're ready to learn. So I'm going to switch over my screen. And today I'm going to be using place value blocks to help us. So we know that when I usually draw the hundreds, I usually do a square. My rods or a group of 10, I do a line. And then usually my ones are just an X. So when you draw it on your paper, you can do it like that, or you can do something similar to what I do today, whatever helps you solve the problem. So your first step, boys and girls, is you're going to write your bigger number in pictures. I find that pictures really help me because it really lets me see, can I take away the amount they want me to take away, or do I have to borrow? So what you're going to be doing first when you solve problems on your own like this is you're going to be drawing the bigger number in place value blocks. So you're going to be doing 683. And I'm going to do that with my place value blocks today. So I'm going to get out 6 hundreds, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Oops, move this one over a little bit. 600. So now I have 600s drawn out. Remember, we're drawing the bigger number because I want to take away the smaller number. That's our goal. Then we're going to draw the tens. I see that I have 8 tens. 80. The value is 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Perfect. And then I have 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Now, friends, I have my bigger number drawn or used. I used pictures for it, but you're probably going to draw it. So that's what it should look like. You should have your bigger number. That's step 1. All right, on to step 2 for this. We are going to subtract ones, then tens, then hundreds. So first I'm going to see, can I do 3 minus 2 ones? I have 3 there. Can I take away 2? Absolutely, I can take away 2. Let's do that. 1, 2. How many ones am I left with when I take away those 2 ones? Awesome. I'm left with just 1 1. Perfect. More on the top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door, get 10 more. So that's more on the top, no need to stop. Now I got more on the floor. So, for my tens, I can already tell I have more on the floor because 9 is bigger than 8. And you can even do this by trial and error too. You can say, can I do 8 take away 9? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have nowhere to take away 9. I need to take away 9, and I can't do that. So you're going to want to borrow from the place value next to the tens, which is the hundreds. So I'm going to want to borrow a group of 100, and I'm going to want to bring it over into my tens place so that I can have more tens to take away the amount that I want to take away. Right now, I can't take away 9 because I only have 8 there. So I need to take a group of 100, move it over into the tens place, and karate chop it up into individual rods. So I'm going to do that here. I'm going to take it out of the groups of 100 now, and I'm going to move it into individual tens. So now I need to count up to 100. I'm moving over that group of 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now, friends, I don't have just 8 tens anymore. I don't have just 8 tens anymore. I have a lot more than that. I have 8 that I had originally plus another 10. 8 plus 10 equals 18. Let's just count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have 18 tens now. And friends, I don't have 600s anymore because I took this 100 and I moved it into the tens place. I broke it up so that I had enough tens to take away 9. So, now how many hundreds do I have? Let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So because I had to borrow a group of 100 and break it apart into tens, I only have 5 hundreds now. Now, can I do 18 minus 9? Yeah, for sure I can, because 18 is bigger than 9. So I'm going to subtract my tens. Your next step after you've borrowed and done all the necessary borrowing, moved over a group of, from the place value over, you moved it over and broke it up into individual either cubes or rods. Now our job is to actually subtract. So now I'm doing 18 minus 9. I'm going to solve for the tens place. We can do 18 minus 9 now. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many rods am I left with? How many tens am I left with? Let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Also, doubles fact. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Cool, I subtracted and I found my difference in the tens place. Perfect. Now I'm going to go over to my hundreds place. Can I do 5 minus 4? I have 5 hundreds here. Can I take away 4? Yeah, I can, because 5 is a bigger number. Right, so 5 is bigger. So I can take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many hundreds am I left with? I'm left with just 100. So my final answer is 191. So I want to see you drawing out your blocks, if that helps you, and then saying to yourself, can I take away this number from this number? And if you can't, you need to do some borrowing. More on the top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. Very good, boys and girls. I know you're going to be so successful with this today, so have fun with it. You got this.